Filtering stocks by volume in TradingView is a key aspect of honing in on market opportunities with clarity and precision. Let's dive straight into how you can efficiently utilize this feature. Volume is a powerful indicator for gauging market activity, and in TradingView, filtering stocks based on volume is made both straightforward and incredibly insightful. To begin, when you open the stock screener at the bottom right panel of TradingView, you'll notice a variety of filtering options available, each designed to help narrow down your selection based on specific criteria. For our focus today, we're zoning in on volume. Within the screener, you'll find the volume filter conveniently located under the Overview tab. Here, you can sort the volume in ascending or descending order and filter it by day, a week, or a month. This instantly tailors your list to include only those stocks that meet your volume requirements, removing the noise and giving you a concentrated view of high-potential candidates. For traders, volume tells a story, often revealing trends, institutional interest, and liquidity. High volume can indicate strong interest in a particular stock, which is particularly useful for avoiding slippage and ensuring smoother entries and exits. This feature allows you to stay nimble, helping you align your trades with stocks that show favorable trading conditions. And because market conditions evolve, the flexibility of the TradingView Screener ensures you can adjust your volume filters on the fly, reflecting real-time data and evolving your strategies accordingly. Remember, effectively filtering by volume not only helps you identify tradable stocks, but also provides a window into the underlying market sentiment. Ultimately, understanding how to filter stocks by volume is about enhancing the quality of your trades, allowing you to stay focused on stocks that offer the best opportunity for your specific strategy. By leveraging these tools, you're positioning yourself to make informed decisions in a market that never stands still.